Introduction to Formulas, Tutorials and Revision Guides. In this set of math tutorials we cover formulas in detail with clear guides, formulas and working examples. This chapter contains 2 tutorials with a total of 8 lessons. Each tutorial includes example questions, a revision guide and supporting formulas calculators. We also provide online formulas calculators, which allow you to calculate specific formulas in support of the tutorials, or to check and verify your own calculations in support of your formulas homework, math coursework, or to help you improve your own understanding so it is easier to teach your children formulas. This is a short chapter that focuses on formulas as an important element of mathematics in particular and science in general. The first tutorial begins with the definition of mathematical sentences and their difference from wordy sentences. Comparison operators are briefly discussed in order to give a clearer idea of formulas, the next concept explained after mathematical sentences. The difference of independent and dependent variables in a formula points out better through solved examples. In addition, you will learn how to express various events in a shorter way by using formulas, how to substitute in a formula, and how to find the inverse formula when the dependent variable is known and the problem requires calculating the value of any independent variable. The second and last tutorial of this chapter focuses on various types of formulas such as the formulas used in algebra, geometry, physics, Excel, chemistry, the banking sector and engineering. All types of formulas are illustrated with solved examples. Another thing we explain in this guide regards rearranging formulas, as in the case of the inverse formula discussed in the previous tutorial. That is all for introduction to formulas. To start this chapter, please watch the first tutorial 8.1, Introduction to Writing Formulas and Substituting in a Formula. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.info.